Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Sheve, and I am a graphic designer, a UI designer, a brand identity designer, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create curved text around shapes like circle and put it through it using CORELDRAW. So before we continue, please, I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share it. Please, we need your support to help us keep creating this content. Um, Thank you, and let's get to the video. All right, so now let's move into it. How to create a round text design, and I'm going to be using a case study. This is Government of Anambra State, Nigeria. So we're going to be creating this logo and see how we can actually use CorelDRAW to create a round text around the circle. It can apply to any shape, so it's just the same way. So let's just get to it. What to do is we create a circle, create, and create another inner circle. So what I did, let me delete it. I clicked on this circle and I clicked on control so that it can maintain the ratio, so it can be a perfect circle. So you understand, I did this so that it can become very perfect. So when you are doing it, make sure that um you're making sure that your control key is hold on. So then to bring it inside, I want to create the inner circle. You understand, the inner circle? I will hold the shift key and drag it inside. See it? So this is the inside of the logo. I will just like I'll hold shift key to the inner circle, and then click C and E, which is shortcut for center. To center it into it. So let me give the color this inner shape white. As you can see, let me give the other one black. Now, as you can see now, our this thing is under it. So I'll hold Control page down. It's down. Send this one also to the back. Send it to the back, and send this one to the back too. You can see it. So just click on it and increase it. Then I'll just right click or click inside the shape, this one shape. Understand? So let's go straight to this round text because that is the main thing we want to do. So we'll type government. You can use anything. This is just like a reference stuff. You understand? So I think this font should be Franklin. If I'm correct. Let's check if we know we don't get it. We know we can get. Just get another font that can do it. Can serve. Understand? Anyway. Okay, it's not it, but we use it. So we reduce it. Then now this is where the trick is. Understand? And let's this shape to let me just leave it. So I'll change the color to deep yellow. Then I'll go to text, click on fit text to part. Yes, look at it. And then don't click anything, move your pointer to it. Can you see it? You now click. Can you see it now? So when you click on it, you go to your object or you click on Ctrl K, which break text apart. We need to break the text apart. So the other part, you can still, if you feel like just the text, like bringing it in depending on your description. You can now change it. So let's do the under one. We'll type Nigeria. Nigeria. Then I'll click on the same text. What's the font size of this? 11. Let's just give it those font size and change the color. So now let's do this. We'll go back to our text, fit text to art, and go. But you see that there's a problem here. Like the thing cannot come up like because of the layer. So what we'll do is we'll bring it down here. Understand? Click on it. Then from here now, you click mirror this thing and mirror vertically. You exit. So you see Control K to still break it. Then you can set to increase it or increase what you're working on. So you understand? So we've actually achieved this. Then for this particular thing here, just text this thing. Hold Shift and number 8, depending on this thing you're using. So just look for font that has a kind of rounded stuff. Don't know which one. Other times Neuroman give me this. Let's check it out. Okay, this is okay, but it's supposed to be 5. Okay, this is actually okay, yes. So it's exactly what is here. To convert it to curve, Control Q, convert it to curve. So bring it here, and give it that scrolling circle and reduce it. You understand? You can just decide to duplicate it. You can decide to, let's say, if we are to add this, let me say for instance, it's okay. Let's say I'm looking at a way where we can actually do this as a text, but notwithstanding, there are many ways to fix this kind of stuff. So yeah, and just select everything, group it, hold the Control key from this pointer, drag, right click, or you Control D, duplicate it, and bring this one here. So you can see from here now, we've been able to create a rounded text to this. So you can apply it to any form of particular work you're working on. You can see it very clearly that it's rounded, just like this, the other one. So thanks for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe and like the video and share it. Please help us grow this community because your support matters a lot. It goes a long way to help us to keep creating content. Thank you. See you.